Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Scorpio, this is a general collective read, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So please take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Scorpio, this is a read for the 23rd of October, 23rd weekend, 24th, 25th. So just a mini read to check on your energies and see how you guys are doing. Let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Scorpio, as always, let's take a angel blessing card and see what my angels can bless you with to have a lovely weekend. What is it that my Scorpio needs to know, my angels? A blessing or an advice for them, please? You found it. Okay. Can I have one more, please? I'd like to know what my Scorpio has found. Yes, you found your self-worth, Scorpio, and now you can speak your truth, right? Maybe earlier you were in a place, position where somebody else always had the last word, but I think, Scorpio, now you are in that position where you found your voice, you found your self-worth, you have self-love for yourself, and nobody can mess with you anymore because when you speak the truth. Alright, so let's see why these two cards are here for you, Scorpio. What do you need to know? Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm very, very blessed and thank you for being here today with me. And if you're new here, we invite you to be part of our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what you're going through this weekend and what your advice is. Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. Let's see. Okay. A lot of passion, a lot of drive, moving ahead, non-stop, Scorpio. Okay, that's a nice card to get. Let me put this way so we can see it as well. So Scorpio. High Priestess, Justice, and the Page of Wands. Empress, Ace of Cups, and the King of Swords. So I think, Scorpio, your intuition is on a big time high now, right? No wonder you have found it. You found the answers from the depth of your soul, I would say. And now when you speak, nobody can really challenge you anymore because everybody around you knows that what you say is the absolute truth. Maybe somebody left you out in the cold earlier. Maybe somebody kind of neglected you in the past, was hurtful. There was no justice in this equation. And yes, this person kind of made you feel like a loser maybe in the past. Okay, this person played mind games. Whoever you were dealing with, it was always their way or the highway. They always made you feel smaller than. They put you out in the cold. It was the most unjust situation possible. And Scorpio, I think you are no longer dealing with it. You have already left, okay, the situation. You don't want to deal with this kind of, you've done it because of your inner knowledge. I think something inside told you that this is not a fair or a good place for me to be in. And now when you speak, whatever you say, you come across as very forthright, and nobody can really argue with that because what you're saying is the absolute truth. You're no longer confused, you're no longer at crossroads. You've made your decision, and I don't think anybody can say anything or can stop you anymore. Because, yes, you're shining bright, it seems. You are shedding light to all the stuff that I think this person did to you in the past, right? You are, this person could have been in your life for a long time, Scorpio. This could have been, you could have known this person for a decade or more, maybe. This could have started out as being your best friend, but finally, what they did to you, I think you called them out on it, Scorpio, and you have shed light on it. You're no longer willing to give to the situation anymore, right? You are not on the same page with this person. This person is also kind of coming across as a person who actually wants you to give up the fight now. They feel very ungrounded without you. They still, I think, have a lot of love for you, and I think the love is mutual. You also I would say, had a lot of love for this person, or have. You did always see this person as a soulmate, a person that you would have liked maybe to spend the rest of your life with. But right now, I think, Scorpio, you've taken back your power. You've turned your back on this person. Yes, you've turned your back on this person. You have dropped them altogether, it seems. You don't want to deal with this burden anymore. Now you are speaking from a place of knowledge, and because even though I think this person really still wants to reconcile with you, they would love it if you would come back. They don't want to have any conflict with you. They're two different people here. I mean, it's amazing. I have the Empress here in reverse, knowing that there was a soulmate connection, but which made first, I think, probably you very happy as well, but now dropping it altogether, okay, turning your back on this person. I have a King of Swords here who was not the best communicator, maybe. They were rude, mean many times to you. They don't want you to fight you anymore. They want you to drop this fight altogether. They would like to reconcile, right? They still feel love for you. And in the center, I do have the cards which actually bind you together. The Ace of Cups is here, and so is the Two of Cups. So even though you guys had such a strong connection, I see you both had different pages because of the way I think this person finally treated you. And now you are clear on it and you are speaking it out, and nobody can, say you're wrong because you're speaking the truth. You found out the truth and you're speaking it. This hurt you. This hurt you when you got left out, when you were made to feel the way you were made to feel, when this person cheated you maybe, when you finally got your spiritual awakening or knowledge or whatever you went through, you, I think, walked away from this person. Now, I could be speaking to a cross-watcher here, so it's either you or your cross-watcher who walked away. Now, this weekend, I think you are moving away. You're moving away from all these troubled times into happier times. You're not even dealing with this trickster anymore. This person doesn't make you feel victorious anymore. I see you charging ahead and moving ahead in your own life now. You're not interested, Scorpio, you're not interested in having to do anything with this trickster anymore. I mean, at one time, what could have felt like a soulmate connection has now become this, which is really sad. But I do see you moving away from this person now. Even though you don't feel very happy, you are putting a halt to this person altogether. So, Six of Swords, Spirit? Yeah, I think you waited around for a long time, Scorpio. You waited for a long time. But finally, I think when you got really, really angry, you moved out because this relationship did not make you happy at all. Yes, this was a mischievous energy around you, Scorpio. So this weekend also I see that you're not interacting with them. You're trying to keep your energy towards yourself. You're moving ahead. You know that to meet them would again bring imbalance to your life. I think you are taking back charge, taking back control of your own life this weekend. You have your own goals, your own ambitions. You are no longer going back and forth in your mind regarding this person who became very selfish, right, in the equation. I think this weekend you're concentrating on yourself. You found your self-worth. Yes, you are bringing back justice to your own life. So let's open your last three cards to see what the universe has for you. Strength. Yes, absolutely correct, my Scorpio. You have found your strength to deal with any situation now. This person was probably a lesson to you, could have been a spiritual lesson that you had to go through to find your self-worth. Now you found it. This person did not give you equal give and take, right? But now you've become so much stronger because of this experience. You found the lesson that you had to learn from this individual, I think. That's the reason the soulmate was in your life. They say soulmates come into your life for a reason, season, or a lifetime. So maybe that was the reason for the soulmate to come in, to teach you a lesson as to how to find self-love for yourself or self-respect for yourself when you come across somebody who is going to bring any kind of drama or do anything hurtful to you. Yes, so that's what I see for you. That's what my angels are also saying. You have found your self-worth. You have realized, you have given up now fighting for this connection, especially because this doesn't make you happy. But I don't think you're ever going to repeat that this lesson ever again, because you are now stronger for it. You are the emperor now. You are taking back control of your life, Scorpio. You have found yourself, right? And now you are not afraid anymore to speak your truth to anyone or anything that doesn't serve you in the highest good. This was your lesson. So if you've been wondering why you had to go through this and why this started out so beautifully and ended so badly, this was because of this, because maybe this was a lesson that you had to learn. But now that you've learned it, it's over. And to be honest, Scorpio, I don't see any bad blood between the two of you either. There is still a lot of love and respect between the two of you. I don't see anything really nasty happening here either, right? So, but yes, there is now justice and you get more respect because of that. That's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, and here you are as the High Priestess, learning your lessons and using them well. Till next time, Namaste.